Welcome everybody to this episode of Let's Play Finxter. Today's topic is the print function in Python. Okay, here we see a code puzzle at Finxter, print hello world. And the question is, what is the output of this code? Okay, the print function is nothing but taking a string, which is a sequence of characters, and puts it to the standard output. So what is the standard output? The standard output is a way for your program to communicate with other programs or with the outside world. So basically your program lives in the standard output, and it if you use a print function, it puts some strings onto the standard output, and other programs can also listen to the standard output, and so your program interacts with other programs via the standard output. Okay, so and if you take a string like hello world, we put it onto the standard output, so this is also the result of this code puzzle. Okay, now we check correctness. Yes, it was correct. Our skills have improved. This is good. Thank you very much for listening, and see you next time.